Top 5 all-in-one digital organization platforms for 2024.
Discover the best platforms that make managing your schedule, tasks, and ideas seamless. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 all-in-one digital organization tools, perfect for anyone who wants to stay on top of calendars, notes, tasks, and more, all in one place.
1. Notion.
Notion stands out for its flexibility, allowing users to blend notes, databases, calendars, and task lists into fully customizable workspaces. From simple to-do lists to advanced project tracking, Notion is ideal for both individuals and teams seeking a highly adaptable digital organization solution.
2. Microsoft OneNote.
Microsoft OneNote integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products, making it great for business and education environments. It allows you to combine notes, multimedia, task lists, and calendar integration, helping users manage information across devices in a familiar, user-friendly format.
3. ClickUp.
ClickUp is designed for productivity power users. It merges tasks, notes, calendars, docs, and time tracking in one interface. With customizable views and automation features, ClickUp helps individuals and teams streamline workflows, making it a strong choice for managing both personal and professional projects.
4. Todoist.
Todoist offers simple yet powerful task and project management with integrated calendars and labels. It enables users to organize everything from daily chores to complex multi-stage projects, providing reminders and collaboration features, all within a clean, distraction-free workspace.
5. Evernote.
Evernote remains a favorite for collecting notes, web clippings, and documents. With calendar connections, powerful search, and cross-device syncing, Evernote makes it easy to track tasks, meetings, and ideas in one comprehensive digital notebook.
Choosing the best digital organizer for you.
Each of these platforms offers unique strengths, from advanced customization to deep integration with other tools. Consider your workflow and preferred features to select the best all-in-one solution for your organization needs in 2024. Explore their free trials to find the perfect fit for your digital life.